Rain chances going up the next couple of days. Not rain everywhere, but a few downpours out there. A shower or storm is possible. We have some out there right now. May see a couple more showers or weak storms over the next couple of afternoons, Friday and Saturday especially, or your better rain chances. So those 2 days we still have some rain, and then rain chances go down for a while after that. But with these extra clouds and rain, not quite as hot out there. I think temperatures mostly in the 90s and not over 100 in some areas, like we've seen the last several days. But if you do get some rain, it knocks temperatures back down into the 80s for a while. First 1-5 Doppler network, most of the valley's dry. Cameron and Wilson counties had a couple small showers earlier today, but some of the heavier showers right now slowly moving westward across Hidalgo County, especially right around the McAllen and Far areas with the numerous lightning strikes right now. So if we zoom in, you can see when we zoom way in, those lightning strikes look pretty big, but there are some lightning strikes in there. I'll take the lightning off in a second for you, but the heaviest rain moving right between about I-69C and then over McAllen toward 23rd Street and Sherry Road. So there's the radar without the lightning, and the heaviest rain is just slowly moving along, again, north side of Far through McAllen. You see up around the Trenton and Dove Street area, some rain coming down pretty heavily. Moving off to the west, the rainfall rates at about 2¼ inches or so per hour, and some of the heaviest rain. So that's what it looks like on radar. How about we show it to you on Sky 5? This is Sky 5 in McAllen on Nolano from our studios there, and you see the rain coming down, slowing traffic down a bit and reducing the visibility, but some heavier rain in the area. It's not going to be like a severe thunderstorm, but it's just a burst of some rain right now coming that could give you up to about 1 inch or so of rain as it moves along here fairly slowly over the next hour. So just, if you're outdoors, it's going to be kind of wet here around McAllen for maybe the next hour. So let's get back to the maps and show you again. There's the radar. That camera, by the way, was about right in this vicinity here, looking into the rain, about where the heaviest rain is with the arrow. Now off to the northeast, a heavier shower near Monte Alto and a couple lightning strikes. That's moving along to the west and just north of La Villa, but not as heavy as the rain we just showed you. And to the south, a couple of showers occasionally around the city of Hidalgo, but nothing too heavy there. Some of that rain is moving west of Reynosa. Rainfall today, you can kind of tell how spotty it is. If you look at the areas that have seen, at least more than a few hundredths of an inch of rain, mostly it's just around McAllen, northeast Hidalgo County and northern Hidalgo County. Most other areas, not too much rain. Rain chances still at about 30% tomorrow, meaning about a third of the valley could see some rain, but inside of those areas that see rain, you might get a couple of heavy downpours of 1 inch or 2 of rain, but most areas getting less than that. Down to about 20% chance for showers or weak thunderstorms on Saturday, and then smaller chance, maybe 1 or 2 isolated showers on Sunday. But your best time frame for rain is about 10 a.m. through about 5 p.m. It's kind of going east to west across the area. Currently, we're in the 90s most everywhere, 88 at the airport north of Edinburgh, and still where it's been dry, 104 though in Rio Grande City. This evening, any showers should die by sunset, and any showers basically from here on out will be in the upper half of the valley over Hidalgo and Starr counties. Then we'll fall into the 80s this evening and tonight. Future track does show the rain fading by the sunset, and then tomorrow we start off dry in most areas in the morning, but as the sea breeze comes to life, could push showers across the area again in the afternoon. So not rain all day, but kind of like today, where the clouds will start building up in the afternoon, and then you could have a few showers or maybe a weak thunderstorm move westward across the area in the afternoon. So the first 1-5-70 forecast, near 95 tomorrow, chance for rain at about 30%, down to about 20% you saw on Saturday, with still maybe a few showers mostly during the day. And then by Sunday, we're down to maybe a couple spotty showers, but I think a little drier and hotter. And then mainly dry early next week and highs in the upper 90s. But some of the models do hint at a little weak disturbance and some moisture again later next week for a few more daytime showers by Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll keep an eye on those rain chances and update you on the rain that's falling right now in your first 1-5 weather. Stay tuned.